Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted anything, but I got something special today. And I have a new pair of bookshelf speakers. These are made in France. The name of the company is called Cabases, and these are the Minorcas. These have a 1-inch mid-range tweeter. So it's kind of a three-way bookshelf. And it has a 7-inch paper cone mid-base. It has a sensitivity level of 89. It crosses over between 932 hertz, 3200 hertz. It's an 8-ohm speaker. It could handle between 75 to 550 watts. That's what they say. And they weigh in at 21 pounds. These speakers are very well built, very lovely, very nice, smooth sound. Light Triangle, which is another French speaker manufacturer, they kind of also use paper dome woofers for their bookshelves, for their speakers. I think that paper cone gives it a warm feeling. They could be a little bit bright at times, but not overwhelmingly, but also depending what you're throwing at it. Now, as you see, I am using my Parasound 2125 2-channel stereo amp that runs at 150 watts per channel, and I'm using the 200 pre. And I'm going to give you guys a little demo, and here goes the brochure. Cabases. Now, this company makes some crazy speakers, kind of sphere-like. I've seen them at the Expona 2025, and yeah, they got speakers that you probably have to mortgage your house, or you could buy a house for how much they cost, about over 100 grand. But anyway, it's a great company, and I like these speakers. I think they're great. They haven't been fully broken in, but I'm going to play my NAD Turntable, and I'm going to play jazz furniture. So you guys can get a little peek of this demo. Enjoy. Well, there you go, guys. Cabases MC40s Minorcas, made in France. 7-inch paper mid-bass driver and a coaxial. It's got a 1-inch tweeter with a coaxial. So it's a 3-way speaker. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. I think they sound amazing. All right, have a good day. And remember, subscribe and give me a like.